या सीझनाचो फर्स्ट डॉमेस्टिक क्रूज कॉर्डेलिया क्रुजाची MV एम्प्रेस 10 तारखेर येयली. दॅट वॉज द फर्स्ट क्रूज फॉर दीस सीझन. आणि अशेंच आतां आमकां अनदर 31 क्रुजीस येतले. सो फर्स्ट वॉयेज वॉज व्हेरी सक्सेसफूल. वॉज ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 1050 पॅसेंजर्स येयले आणि दे वेंट फॉर अ सोर एक्सकर्शन. And almost around 985 passengers boarded from here for Agati, Lakshadweep. So it is becoming a hit. The domestic cruise vessel is becoming a hit for the domestic people over here in Goa as well as in India. Sorry. There are almost around 12 international cruise liners have confirmed, and we are expecting another 10 to get added to it. So if that gets confirmed, then we are definitely going to have an increase of 34% of international cruise lines calling this port for this season.